Agnishala temple in Patan, where the fire is eternally burning. Agni, meaning fire, is an important god in Hindu religion. Especially in the Vedic tradition, fire is considered to be a means to link the human world and heaven. Establishing fire implies life, wealth, procreation, and continuation of family, clan, and lineage. A minute distance from Lalitpur's Kumaripati comes a temple called Agnishala. There is also a tall tree near the entrance of the temple. The entrance to the fireplace is found from the side of the tree. Upon reaching the inner room of the temple, the idol of the fire god and the fire are seen burning. The fire in the inner room of the temple is not allowed to be extinguished 24 hours a day. The fire is lit all the time to preserve the tradition. The place has been named Agnishala since ancient time because of the fire burning in it, and fire means Agni in Nepali language. According to the legend, two Brahmins named Vidyadhar and Yasodhar came to this place near Kumaripati about 5,000 years ago and settled down. They both sleep by borrowing a stick they were leaning on, and when they woke up the next day, branches grew on from that stick. The tree made of that stick is still there. The locals have been worshipping the tree as Varun tree. The Varuna tree is considered to be an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Since the roots of the trees have been out since 50 years ago, the locals walk under the roots. Since the Brahmins named Vidyadhar and Yasodhar found that the fire has not been extinguished till morning, which they fired last night, they believe something is godly in this place. So they have established this fire thinking that there may be some power in this place. As their stick were turned into a tree, Vidyadhar and Yasodhar built a house in the same place and established a fire in this place. The couple started to perform daily fire sacrifice and installed the 5 fires. It is believed that the fire existed in this place since then. The Rajbhandari Brahmins in Patan claims to be descendants of the same couple. In the Kathmandu valley, Subigya is a Rajbhandari Brahmin. In the Malla period, Rajbhandari was the priest of the king. As a priest of the king, the native Newars respectfully call them Subigya. Juzu means king and Bhajya means Brahmin. Since then till now, Rajbhandari has been called Subigya. Long time before, there was no source to light a fire in a local stove in the valley. There were no matching lighters. At that time, the people of Kathmandu used to go to this place near Kumaripati in Lalitpur to get fire. Only after bringing fire from here would the local cook their food. The tradition of going to the fireplace to get fire has disappeared as the locals have started finding alternative sources of fire in recent days. In ancient times, fire was started from this place to light the morning fire in the house of Patan. It is mentioned that Agni Kunda was established in 736 according to Kaligata Sambat. As there is a tradition of not to let extinguish the fire in this place, the fire keeps burning 24 hours a day. It is believed to be inauspicious if the fire in this place is extinguished. The temple is looked after by the priests from the Rajbhandari clan. The daily sacrifices performed in honor of Agni are mostly known as Agnihotra and have been preserved until today at the Agnishala temple in Patan. It is one of the oldest fire temples in Nepal and one of the most important religious sites in the valley of Kathmandu. The Agnishala temple contains 5 fires, one of which is permanently burning. There are 5 fire altars inside the premises of temple: Vishnu Kunda, Brahma Kunda, Shiva Kunda, Surya Kunda, and Savya Kunda. It is believed that a fire has been kept burning continuously eternal for many years in the Vishnu Kunda. Devotees perform Hom, a religious ritual performed for happiness and well-being, in the holy fire of Vishnu Kunda. It is believed that if the practice of maintaining the fire is discontinued, the world would come to an end. People who want to get rid of their astrological bad luck or graha dasa visit this place to have the priest perform rituals in their name. It is believed that after worshipping the fire, the defects of the planetary astrological bad luck are removed. The locals of Patan area install the idol of deity brought from the market only by worshipping it in this place first. Even today, in Nepali society, it is believed that it is inauspicious to see a crow having intercourse, and if a flying crow defecates on anyone's head. Devotees have been reaching the fireplace to remove such bad luck. After hearing the glory of the fireplace, King Mahendra built one building over there. After the construction of the building, the fire was worshipped daily with the help of the priest. A fair is also held on the 1st of Magh every year. Shraddha, a ceremony performed in honor of dead ancestor, is performed every morning in this fire. Shraddha here is not according to one's tribe and name. On the whole, it is customary to donate to the dead ancestor by doing Shraddha without any name and tribe. That happens every day. Instead of saying individual name, everyone is included at once. Thank you.